Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to learn about the table of values. Specifically, we will look at how to generate points and create ordered pairs systematically from an equation. So, what exactly is a table of values? Think of it as a tool we use to organize our math data. It connects an input value, which we call x, to an output value, which we call y. This table is the very first step you will take before plotting a line on a graph. To build a table, we need a rule, which comes in the form of an equation. Here is our example, y equals 3x minus 2. In this equation, x is the independent variable, meaning we can choose its value. Y is the dependent variable because its value depends on what we calculate for x. Since x is independent, we need to pick numbers for it. While you can technically pick any number, it is smart to choose small integers. We usually pick -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. This keeps our multiplication simple and helps us see the pattern clearly. Let's calculate our first point. We will start by letting x equal 0. We substitute 0 into our equation. 3 times 0 is 0. Then 0 minus 2 gives us -2. So, when x is 0, y is -2. Now let's try a positive number. Let x equal 1. We replace x with 1 in the equation. 3 times 1 is 3. Then 3 minus 2 equals 1. So, when x is 1, y is 1. It is also important to test negative numbers. Let x equal -1. 3 times -1 is -3. Be careful here. -3 minus 2 equals -5, so our result is -5. After repeating this process for a few more numbers, we can fill in our table completely. Notice the pattern. Every time we go down a row, the x value increases by 1 and the y value increases by 3. Now that we have our table, we can extract the information we need for graphing. Each row in our table becomes an ordered pair, written as x, y, for example, -1, -5, and 0, -2. Finally, we can take those ordered pairs and plot them on a coordinate plane. -1, -5 goes here. 0, -2 is here. And 1 is here. Do you see how they line up perfectly? We have generated points for a straight line. To recap, here is the systematic process. First, choose simple values for x. Second, substitute those values into your equation. Third, solve for y. Fourth, write them as ordered pairs. And finally, plot your points to see the graph.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.